Hi, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Cruz. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're safe and happy at home. I miss seeing you all a lot in art class, but I'm hopeful that we'll all get to see each other again soon. Today, I am going to show you how to complete this worksheet that you got sent home with you. So someone in your family came to school and picked up some materials and homework from school. All the things you're going to need for art were rolled up with a rubber band around them. So this is what you're going to need to get out today. I'm going to show you how to complete this. At the top, you see it says name with a line. So make sure you write your name up there. And then it says directions. Use the code to color the turkey. And it says gobble, gobble. Okay, so this is telling you all the colors that you're going to need. All the number ones that you see, you're going to have to color red. So then I would take a red and go just like that. You could do it over here too. That way it's going to help you remember what colors to use and make it a little easier for you. If you don't have a marker at home, you can use crayons, you can use oil pastels, colored pencils, or even watercolor paint. But if you use watercolor paint, you have to make sure you let it stay really still until it's dry. Otherwise, your colors will mix together. Okay, the next color you're going to need is, by the number 2, you'll see the next color you're going to need. It says orange. So I'm going to find an orange. Make a nice little rectangular box around the number and the color name. The next color I need is yellow. So I don't have a yellow marker, but I do have a yellow oil pastel. So I'm going to do the same thing. Make a little rectangular box and color it in yellow. Number 4, I'm going to need a green. And all the number 5s are going to be colored. Which color? Purple. And last but not least, the number 6 is going to be colored brown. All right. So the reason there's 2 turkeys on here is these will make awesome Thanksgiving cards for you to give to a loved one. After it's all the way finished being colored, all you do is fold it in half like a book. Make sure these corners are nicely lined up. Press down. And if you remember like what I told you in art class, you can pet it just like you'd pet a dog or a kitty till it gets nice and flat. Take your finger and go down the crease and open it up. And now you have yourself 1 card, 2 cards. You just use the scissors to cut down it. And you could give this one to maybe a brother or sister. You could give this one to a mom, dad, grandma, aunt, uncle, whoever you want. But now I'm going to show you how we actually go about coloring in here. You might already have a good idea of what to do, but I just want to show you the correct way in case you were confused. So you'll see all over inside this turkey drawing, there's numbers everywhere. So you want to start, you could start with any color you want, but I'm going to start at the top with the red. Anywhere you see a number 1, you have to color that space in red. Here's a 1, here's a 1. Make sure that you're going nice and slow, taking your time so it stays nice and neat. If you go too fast, you're going to probably end up coloring something a color that it is not supposed to be. All right, keep searching around. Do we see any other ones? There's the one. His gobbler. Any more ones? Yep, here's some ones. These feathers are going to be red also. I think that's all my number 1s. So that means I could switch to the next color. So then you would find the number 2s and color them in orange. And keep doing that until your whole turkey is colored in. When you are finished, I would like you to take a picture of at least one of your turkeys. You could take a picture of both of them if you want, or one of them, up to you. I just want to see that you were able to color it in correctly, that you took your time and you were nice and neat with coloring it in. And also make sure that your name is on it somewhere. I'm writing upside down, so that's kind of tricky. But hey, I can still see it says Mrs. K. That was challenging, but I did it. Mrs. Cruz. All right, so then just make sure that you take a picture and send it to me before you hand out these cute little turkey cards to someone you love. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, everybody.